Telegram marketing have earned a lot of Nigeria's money, and they are able to do this with Telegram channel content writing. This is just you writing for channels on Telegram, adding hashtags to increase their SEOs to reach larger audience. You don't really need much to start all these things. With your smartphone, you can start all, okay? Remember, on this channel, I always talk more about Telegram and how to earn from it. So in this particular video, we're going to talk more on how to start Telegram marketing and earn so much from it. So before we divert on how to earn from this Telegram marketing or how Nigerians are able to do it, what is this Telegram marketing all about? This is just you promoting brands, content, and channels or services as well. Okay, that's simple, but it's deep. Okay, now how do you earn from these things? There are different ways to earn from Telegram marketing. I'm going to also explain them one after the other. One way to earn from Telegram marketing is through products or services. This is just you recommending or promoting your own products on Telegram. But wait, in case if you don't have your own products, you can easily promote other people's products on Telegram. There are free ways, multiple ways to get free products online. You can either promote ebooks or digital products, maybe something like graphic design course, video editing course, or even Telegram marketing course as well. It's not a must that you can easily show up every day. Even if you are tired, you can easily automate your Telegram app to help you close those leads and you get paid as well. Okay, I have talked more on how to get customers as well in this video, how to get free customers across social media. Okay, but another ways you can also earn from your Telegram under Telegram marketing is through channel promotion. This is just you generating traffic for other channels or promoting some other people's channel as well. People can easily pay you when you run ads for them on Telegram, either by generating traffic for them or easily promoting their own channel. And you can easily do this with what we call Telegram ads. This is just you running ads on Telegram and you reach larger audience. People will easily go to that place where you are directing them. It's also called Telegram traffics. Okay, you can easily do that on Telegram and earn under Telegram marketing. Another way you can also earn from Telegram marketing is through automation, either using bots. This is you just automating some business to run on their own, even when the owner is not there. And you can easily do that with what we call bot fodder. Is available on Telegram. I'm still going to show you how to create Telegram bots using bot fodder on Telegram. I'm still going to show you how to do that. Remember, on this channel I always talk about Telegram and how to earn from it just to help you. Okay, so you earn from selling or automating businesses on Telegram. This is how so many Nigerians earn from Telegram, through automation bots. There are some even company that build Telegram automation, just Telegram automation, and you pay them for that service maybe 6 months or 12 months or for like many years as well. So it's a normal business, and you too can also do that as well. The another way you can also earn on the Telegram marketing is what we call selling of Telegram channel. Selling of Telegram channels. This is you growing Telegram channel and put them for sale. Remember, the requirements to monetize on Telegram is just 1000 subscribers, and to get that is so easy, right? And if you're able to get that 1000 subscribers and you're posting consistently, Telegram will start to show ads on your channel and they pay you for that 50% commission, okay, every month. And when you have grown this channel, you can easily sell them. So under Telegram marketing, you can easily sell channel when you have grown them, and you also earn from telegrams as well, or you earn from these things as well. So don't worry, in case if you are confused on how to do all these things, we have already document a guide for you that will help you to grow so fast or start earning from this Telegram, the practical ways to do that. And you can easily see that on this video description. You don't really need much to start all these things. With your smartphone, you can start all, okay? If you want to get more content about Telegram or everything that concerns Telegram, click subscribe on this channel and stay tuned, okay? Ask your questions in comment section if you have any as well, and don't forget to join our Telegram community where we give you guide on how to succeed in all these things. Also try your best to also read the disclaimer as well.